In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smallpdf account. By the end, you'll have a brand new account set up with your email and password, and you'll be ready to use Smallpdf's tools for converting, compressing, and organizing PDFs. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to smallpdf.com. Make sure you type the address correctly so you land on the official site. Give the page a second to load fully. This helps all buttons and menus appear as expected. Once the homepage is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Login option. On a computer, it's typically in the upper right. On a phone or tablet, you might need to tap the menu icon first, then choose Login. This takes you to the sign-in area, where you'll see options for returning users, as well as a path to create a new account. On the sign-in page, find and select Create Account. This switches you from signing in to registering, and it will bring up a simple form. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little or look near the bottom of the sign-in section. It's usually presented as a link or a button. Now enter your email address. Use an email you can access easily, especially one you check often. Take a moment to double check for typos. Small mistakes here can prevent you from getting important notifications. If your browser autofills an old email, clear it and type the correct one. Next, choose a password. Aim for something long and unique, ideally a phrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other accounts and skip anything easy to guess. If you ever see a note on the page about password requirements, follow those guidelines to make sure your password is accepted. With your email and password in place, click Continue with Email. The site will process your details and you should be guided to the next screen. If you notice an error message, it usually means the email format isn't valid or the password doesn't meet the requirements. Fix those and try again. When everything looks good, you'll be taken into your new account, where you can start exploring the tools and organize your files. That's all it takes. You went to the Smallpdf website, opened the login area, switched to creating an account, entered your email, set a secure password, and clicked Continue with Email. Keep your login details safe and you'll be set for your next visit. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Smallpdf account.